This is my recipe for grilled chicken, risotto, and roasted asparagus. Follow along. We're gonna start with the marinade for the chicken. In a measuring cup, add 1/4 a cup of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon of honey, some Italian herb seasoning, salt and pepper, the juice of 1 whole lemon, and 2 freshly grated garlic cloves, and a couple tablespoons of avocado oil. Pour marinade over chicken breasts. I have about 8 here. Stir, cover with plastic wrap, and then put in the fridge for about 2 hours. After the chicken breasts have been marinating for a couple of hours, grill them off. After searing these off, we're going to finish cooking these in the oven until you get an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Start the risotto. We're going to saute diced onions, garlic, and 3 baby bell mushrooms. Add 2 cups of arborio rice. You'll have to stir this constantly so it doesn't burn. 1/4 a cup of dry Chardonnay. Slowly add 1/2 a cup of chicken broth at a time. Once the liquid has absorbed, we're going to keep adding 1/2 a cup of chicken broth at a time until the rice is cooked. Once the risotto is cooked, add 1/4 a cup of Parmesan. I topped the chicken with a honey mustard sauce. The risotto turned out nice and creamy and the asparagus crispy. So good.